I know you all like to grow flower plants in your garden, but somehow you might be stuck in growing them or caring them in a wrong way. You may not know when to start, what to grow, and how to take care of flower plants. Am I right? Hi all, I am Shri Kavya. Welcome to our Trust Basket Gardening channel. Today I am going to help you with all doubts regarding the flower plants that is messing with your brain so that you can succeed in growing these flower plants from sowing to the flowering stage successfully. I am going to tell you the budget flower seeds that you can grow in your garden and the best time to sow these seeds so that you can cheer by seeing your colorful and beautiful garden. First, you should understand that the sowing period differs according to the place. You should be aware when you can start sowing the seeds and till at what time you should stop sowing them. You can start sowing the seeds from the end of September month so that when actual winter starts, by that time the flower plants get developed. Now, I think in your mind the question may arise till when you can stop sowing the seeds. Let me explain this. In most of the northern states of India, the temperature starts to get low mostly from the first and second week of November. In those places, you should stop sowing the seeds till the first week of that month. Don't try to sow the seeds if the time exceeds. And coming to the southern state, where mostly winter starts from the end of November month. In those places, you should stop sowing till the mid of November. So here the main reason is you should sow the seeds before winter sets in because the seeds will not germinate when the temperature drops down. So this was all about when to start and till when you can sow the seeds. Now let me tell you which flower plants you can go for sowing. You can start sowing the seeds like asters, dianthus, dahlia, chrysanthemum, calendula, celosia, marigold, salvia, phlox, petunia, etc. So yeah, that's all for today's topic. Hope you like this video. In my upcoming video, I'll be sharing some tips for faster germination of flower seeds. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe our Trust Basket Gardening channel. Thank you. Bye.